Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes and helps keep the chart relevant for as long as possible. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart might look a little different for you. But my goal here with this video is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the very first question that I think, makes sense to ask yourself, and like I said, let's just go under the premise that you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. So 20 hours from now, question number one that I think, stands out the most and should be asked as kind of an inventory check is, okay, where's the prices of Bitcoin relative to 34,000? As long as you're answering that question that the price is still up above 34,000, then in my mind, this consolidation is about as healthy as it can get. Might not be a perfect consolidation, but it's still extremely, extremely healthy. But even if you are answering the question that the price is down below 34,000, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that, because you do still have this overarching level of support down here, the pink line, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. That's one of those levels where even if you have a very, basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that area and you know that when the price is up above it, it does tend to act as support. So you want to take an inventory check of that, and let's just call that at 30,000. So again, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 34,000, well then immediately ask yourself, okay, where's the price at relative to 30,000? Now, if you're saying the price is down below 30,000, then at that point, I'm still not going to say the entire chart's destroyed, but that would definitely start to have the chart looking a little bit shaky compared to how it is right now. So 34,000 and 30,000, two main areas of support moving forward. As far as areas of resistance, so in other words, if you are answering the question, well, yeah, Clay, the price is still up above 34,000. Well, the next question will be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to the 40,000 mark, which is that little peak right here. You can see when the price did try to make the bounce upwards, that's right where the price ultimately did get rejected, right at that level. So that'll be that first key level of resistance. If you're saying, well, Clay, yeah, the price is actually up above 40,000. Well, that would be telling me that, okay, Bitcoin is really starting to turn around. The momentum and the strength is really starting to return. However, the bulls wouldn't quite be out of the woods yet, because it's still all about this 42,000 mark up there. But of course, if you're saying, well, Clay, not only is the price above 40,000, but it's also above 42,000, well, I don't think I really need to say at that point, well, that would imply that would be a very, very bullish environment for Bitcoin, because you'd have a double breakout going on. You'd have the breakout of 40,000, the breakout of 42,000, and assuming you're bullish, that would just be a good thing for everybody. But moving forward, these are going to be the main levels to watch moving into the next several days, so let's see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.